Welcome back to the channel. Chris here as usual, and we're basically going to be looking at how you can make £10,000 profit from match betting in 2022. During the live streams that I do here on the channel in the middle of the week, I'm normally asked what are the best kind of match betting strategies to do after you've done the welcome offers. So I wanted to combine this video with what kind of match betting strategies I would be doing after sign up offers, and then also add in an aspect to the video which will be talking about how they can make you £10,000 through the entire year of 2022. If you're watching this video around the middle of 2022, do still watch to the end because it is likely that these strategies will be viable to do in years to come after we get through 2022. Really quickly before we get into the video, just got two things to mention. So Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, definitely get joined up to that down in the description through the link there if you're not joined yet. And the other thing I wanted to mention was the Profit Boss free money offers guide page, which of course the link will be in the description for that as well. It's just a guide I put together with different welcome offers on there that may not be specifically match betting related. So definitely worth checking out if you're interested in free money. What I'm going to do then is put this white screen in front of you and basically just rattle out what kind of match betting strategies you can do and what profits you would expect to make from them. So firstly, if you've not yet started match betting, then you're in a much better position for profits than others that have already got into it, because you're going to make between £600 to £1,000 just from the sports and casino sign up offers there. Now, if you're not yet joined up to a match betting software, do check out the promo codes that I've left below, which will get you either 12 days for £1 or 50% off your first month at OddsMonkey. Very, very crucial that you have OddsMonkey to really benefit and make as much money as possible in match betting. Oh, and by the way, just to make sure you know, all of these figures that I'm mentioning here are with just your own set of accounts. So we're not talking about multi-accounting here. This is just your set of accounts and doing it with a modest bankroll. So we're not talking like you don't need £10,000–15,000 as a bankroll to do this, but obviously you would need more than say a few £100. You'd need between £1,000 to £3,000 to pull these kind of numbers off. Now, on average, each month you'll get casino sites emailing you with reload offers, and these will make you around £50 profit. So that's going to be about £600 for the year there, which if you take the £1,000 from the sign-up offers and this £600, that's going to put us on to £1,600 of total profit so far. Now, if you were to do the horse racing extra places strategy every single Saturday, just on average making say £50 a week, times that by 50, you'd be looking at £2,500 profit from there, which brings us down to £5,900 left in order to get our £10,000 profit goal. Now, in the 4 days of the Cheltenham Festival, which in 2022 are the 15th to 19th of March, you'll very, very likely make around £1,000 profit just in those 4 days. So that gives you about £4,900 left to make to get us to 10 grand. You'll then get about £1,000 profit from other horse racing festivals like the Grand National, Royal Ascot and the Goodwood Festival, for example. So that gives us £3,900 remaining. You'd then be looking at making around £400 profit from doing the golf extra places strategy. So that gets us down to £3,500 left for the year. Now that brings me on to the very best and my favourite match betting strategy of all time, which is of course the Bet365 2-up strategy. I call it the Bet365 2-up strategy because I really don't think any other bookmakers are worth doing it through, so I really would focus just on Bet365 with this. But on average, if you were placing between 8 to 12 2-up matches per week and you had that modest bankroll, you'd be looking at making around £300 a month, again on average, so you may make a lot more and some months you'll make a lot less. But on average, that 300 quid is going to mean 3,600 for the year, which actually takes our total to £10,100 profit in 2022. Now, I'd really appreciate everyone getting involved with pressing the like button, of course, and commenting below your thoughts. Have I been realistic with these, figures here? Am I just blowing the figures way out of proportion? Am I not giving enough profit into the figures? Let me know what you think. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.